Welcome to Video 9. Today we cover Texas Uniform State Content, the Texas-specific laws and regulations tested on your NMLS exam. Texas has some of the most unique mortgage laws in the country, written directly into the state constitution. Master this content and you have a significant advantage on the Texas state portion of your exam. Texas Section 50, A6, is the constitutional provision governing home equity lending in Texas. 6 core rules apply to every Texas home equity transaction. 1. Maximum CLTV of 80%. 2. 3% fee cap. 3. 12 calendar day waiting period. 4. Closing must occur at a professional location. 5. No prepayment penalty. 6. Only one home equity loan at a time per homestead. These rules are in the Texas Constitution, making them extremely powerful. The Texas Constitution limits all liens combined, first mortgage plus HELOC plus home equity loan, to a maximum of 80% of the homestead's fair market value. This is a hard constitutional cap with no exceptions. Example, home worth $500,000. 80% equals $400,000 maximum total liens. If the first mortgage balance is $380,000, the maximum home equity loan is $20,000. If the first mortgage equals $400,000 exactly, maximum HELOC equals 0. No borrowable equity under Texas rules. Total fees on a Texas Section 50, A6 home equity loan cannot exceed 3% of the original principal amount. All origination fees, including title, appraisal, and other settlement costs, count toward this cap. If fees exceed 3%, the borrower must send written notice to the lender. The lender then has 60 days to cure by refunding the excess. If the lender fails to cure within 60 days, the borrower may bring an action for forfeiture of all principal and interest. Powerful remedy. A borrower cannot close a Texas home equity loan until at least 12 calendar days after submitting the written loan application. This is a mandatory constitutional cooling-off period. 12 calendar days, not business days, from the date the owner submits the written application, not from any oral inquiry. This 12-day wait is in addition to the standard Tri-D-CD 3 business day waiting period. Both must be satisfied independently. Texas home equity loan closings must occur at the permanent office of the lender, an attorney's office, or a title company office. The closing cannot occur at the borrower's home, workplace, hospital, or any other location, even if the borrower requests it. This rule prevents high-pressure in-home closings. Closing anywhere other than the 3 permitted locations is a constitutional violation regardless of borrower consent. Texas uses non-judicial, trustee, foreclosure for mortgages. Foreclosure sales occur on the first Tuesday of each month between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. at the county courthouse. 2 exceptions. If the first Tuesday falls on January 1st or July 4th, the sale moves to the following Wednesday. Only these 2 holidays move the sale. No other holidays apply. Before a sale, the lender must provide at least 21 days advance written notice sent by certified mail and posted at the courthouse. The Texas Department of Savings and Mortgage Lending, TDSML, regulates non-bank mortgage companies and individual MLOs in Texas. TDSML licenses non-bank MLOs and companies, conducts examinations, investigates consumer complaints, and enforces Texas mortgage laws. Maximum civil money penalty, $25,000 per violation per day. The per-day structure means ongoing violations accumulate rapidly and create strong incentive for prompt compliance. Texas requires 23 total pre-licensing hours, 20 federal hours required by the SAFE Act, plus 3 additional Texas-specific hours covering Texas laws, TDSML regulations, and Texas-specific practices. Annual continuing education requires 8 total hours, 3 hours federal law, 2 hours ethics, 2 hours non-traditional products, and 1 hour Texas-specific content. All CE must be completed from NMLS-approved providers before the December 31st annual renewal deadline. The SAFE Act creates 2 permanent bars to MLO licensure. Bar 1, any felony conviction within the preceding 7 years, any felony regardless of type. Bar 2, any felony ever involving fraud, dishonesty, breach of trust, or money laundering, with no time limit. Category 2 is permanent. A person convicted of mortgage fraud in 1990 is still permanently barred from MLO licensure today. Know both bars. Candidates frequently know the 7-year rule but miss the permanent Category 2 bar. Texas homestead protection is among the strongest in the nation. Texas homestead cannot be forced sale except for purchase money mortgage, property taxes, home equity loans under Section 50(a)(6), home improvement loans, refinance of a prior lien, and reverse mortgages. Once a Texas homestead has an outstanding 50(a)(6) lien, any subsequent refinancing of any lien on that homestead must comply with 50(a)(6) requirements until all home equity liens are paid off and released. Texas USC exam traps. Trap 1, 12 calendar days wait, not business days. Trap 2, 80% CLTV includes all liens combined. Trap 3, closing at the borrower's home is a constitutional violation even if the borrower requests it. Trap 4, Safe Act Category 2. Fraud felony is permanent. No time limit, no exceptions. Trap 5, first Tuesday of the month only, not any Tuesday. Trap 6, January 1st and July 4th, move the sale to Wednesday. No other holidays due. Trap 7, TDSML penalty is $25,000 per violation per day. Key numbers for Texas USC. Section 50(a)(6), 80% max CLTV, 3% fee cap, 12 calendar days wait, 60 days to cure fee violations. Texas foreclosure, first Tuesday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., 21 days advance notice, January 1st and July 4th move to Wednesday. TDSML, $25,000 per violation per day, maximum penalty. Pre-licensing, 23 hours total, 20 federal plus 3 Texas. Annual CE, 8 hours total, 7 federal plus 1 Texas. Safe Act bars, 7 years any felony, permanent for fraud or dishonesty felony. Quick recap of Texas USC. Section 50(a)(6), 80% CLTV cap on all liens, 3% fee cap with 60-day cure right, 12 calendar day wait, professional closing location only, no prepayment penalty, 1 loan at a time. Texas foreclosure, first Tuesday, 21-day notice, January 1st and July 4th move to Wednesday. TDSML regulates with $25,000 per day penalties, 23 pre-licensing hours, 8 annual CE hours. Safe Act, 7-year any felony bar, permanent fraud felony bar. That is video 9. In video 10, our final video, we cover ethics and UDAP, professional conduct, the LO compensation rule, conflicts of interest, and the CFPB's standards. Ethics makes up 16% of the NMLS exam. See you in the final video.